Hello, today, 9th Chaplain, I'm going to be doing a surplus haul. I just went to the surplus store today, got a few goodies, lots of good steals today, so let's jump right into it. Starting off, I've got two compass slash bandage pouches, both excellent, brand new condition, and both of them are actually dated 1985. They're excellent, though I like the style of the OD green as opposed to the later versions, so these are definitely excellent, because as you can see, my current ones are getting a little bit beat up, and for $1 each, that's a steal, and couldn't resist it. Next up, got some also more cheap items. These are both 50 cents each. What a good deal. These are for some earplugs, ear protection, because the other style, which I currently have, would be like this. Sorry, it's dummy cord onto my LBE. But yeah, the newer style, and so I feel like these, that'll be a very good addition, especially as I do some more early 80s style kits coming up in the near future. So, definitely a good steal on that. And next up is some random item I could also not resist. It was also on the clearance. I don't even know what this is. I tried researching it, but yeah, it's hard to read. Some sort of ID holder. Perhaps for a contractor of some sort, because that's what it reads. But yeah, you just put that there. I thought it was really cool. I think that was also like $1 or so I couldn't turn it down. It's from the same era. Also, another thing from the dollar is map case, which is excellent. I could use this for like anything in regular backpacking in my leisure time. I'm looking forward to using this. Yeah. So next, a brand new t-shirt, undershirt. I have enough of these, but I just like when the collar fits nice and tight, so also could not resist. And some item which I already sort of had, some new Sunwind dust goggles. These were like $5 or $7, pretty cheap. 97, as you can see, because look at this elastic band. It's wonderful. This is my current one, which it is so stretched out, it's like, yeah, it's not very good condition, so this one is very good. Look forward to using it more, actually being protected as opposed to my old one. Now, a really good find today is a 88, 89 BDU Summer I found today. It's really good condition, pretty cheap, I think like $10. The best thing I'm most excited about is these retentions here. My current BDUs don't have any of these, so I look forward to having one like this. This afternoon, I will get it sewed up with all my insignias. And yeah, I look forward to having yet another set of BDUs, especially a more, as I said, earlier edition, even though it's late 80s, it's older style, earlier style, I should say. And so yeah, so it would be nice to have that. Then I got two sets, BDU pants, right, because, you know, burning through these a lot. They're both, one's 90 dated, one's like, I don't know, 92, 93. I already have the blousings taken out, which I find nice because I don't have those in there anyway. But yeah, very good. Both summer patterns. Low-key gonna have to fade one of them to make it match the BDUs, but also, as some have mentioned before, these, you know, some people point that out, they're not very nice because these are actually just proper ones from the manufacturer that weren't government issue. So they used to have the knee pad here, but I had to cut it out because that got a hole in it. And as you can see, yeah, they just don't look professional. They're getting like worn out like crazy. So just having more BDUs. I already had two pairs of BDUs, BDU trousers, but I guess more authentic ones. This one is heavily starched. It must have been on Garrison on it. But yeah, that's that item. So, I'm looking forward to making more videos. So a little sneak peek. I will be updating very shortly my LBE sort of loadout slash butt pack. I don't know which video. As you can see, the butt pack's missing today because I'm currently working on restoring it or something like that, because it was in bad condition. There's holes as the nylon ones get very often as opposed to the canvas ones. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to pack your butt pack, a newer version because my old one is kind of goofy, And then I also just do a general OBE setup. As you can see, look at this, no Chaplin kit today. Going back to the early style. Also something I recently added also was angle head. And it's double secured with some old tubes, you know, from a bicycle. And a blouser there, because everything must be tied up. Also, keep these taped. You see, it's taped. This is tied directly to the belt, the compass is. And as I showed you all earlier, the hearing protection is also tied down to it and stuck inside of there. So yeah, keep everything tightened up. More on that topic in the future, but just might as well give you a little sneak peek of what's going on with all of my excellent finds that I'm very proud of finding those today for the good winter. So thanks for watching. Watch more. And as always, comment for any ideas you'd like to see on this channel. 1990s Chaplin is out.